Basically all my adult life I've been a very obese person. And
just a little more than a year ago, Portland Mayor Ken Wilber was at his highest weight from a lifetime of eating junk food and rarely exercising.
My peak weight, I was 344 pounds. Right now I weigh in the low 170s.
The 58-year-old finally had enough.
A year ago this January I had weight loss surgery done. I had the vertical sleeve weight loss surgery done.
The surgery took away most of his stomach.
The portions are much smaller than they used to be. And I tried to be sure I eat a better quality of food.
His appetite wasn't the only thing he changed.
A lot of exercise, walking very regularly, riding bicycle.
We've got our own mayor that has just stepped up to the plate and says, I'm doing something about it. I'm doing something about my health. Through that, he has also branched out and reaching out to the community.
The mayor started a community garden and several fitness programs throughout town, including the Strawberry Stroll.
We're in our second year of the program where we are walking 10 weeks on Tuesdays and Thursday nights. Trying to do 50 miles in those sessions.
With every pound shed, he's inspiring many, like Ginger Barber, who's lost 5 pounds walking in the last month.
I think it's a great role model because it's like a whole community event. You can get involved.
And his receptionist is motivated too.
I overlook him sometimes because I forget that he's that small. He's really, really an inspiration to me every day. If he can do it, I can do it.
If it can affect one person to want to be more healthy, then I'm fine with doing that.